All right, number 13. Create an equation to solve the following word problems. Some of these can get a little tricky. So Mike ran 25 miles less than 10 last week. Mike ran 60 miles. How many miles did Ted run? Okay, so here we're going to start off with the miles that Ted ran. So I'm going to call T for Ted. So Ted, let's see, Mike ran 25 miles less than Ted. So what we're going to do with Ted, we're going to subtract 25, and that's going to equal the miles that Mike ran, which is 16. Okay, so to solve for how many miles Ted ran, we're going to add 25 to both sides. And Ted ran 41 miles. Okay, 14. 13 years ago, Stephanie was 36 years old. How old is she now? Okay, well, Stephanie, 13 years ago is minus 13 equals 36. Add 13. So how old is Stephanie now? She's 49 years old. Recipe for cookies calls for 3 1/8 cups of sugar. Arjun, nice, accidentally put in 3 5/7 cups. How many extra cups did he put in? Okay, so let's see here. Arjun put in 3 5/7 cups. Recipe only called for 3 1/8, so I'm going to subtract the 3 1/8 cups, and that's how much our friend Arjun put in. So we need a common denominator. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by 8, top and bottom by 7, and because the whole numbers are 3s, so I'm just going to cancel out. So I'm just going to keep it like this. So this is going to be 3 40/56 minus 3 7/56 equals, again, what Arjun did. So the 3's cross off. 40/56 minus 7/56 is 33/56 cups. Okay. 16. Last week, Jill ran 4 miles less than Joe. Jill ran 16 miles. How many miles did Joe run? So this is very similar to number 13. So J, well, I guess J works for both, so I'm just going to put Joe, minus the 4 miles that Jill ran less than him equals Joe's miles, which is 16. Add 4. So So Joe ran 20 miles.